Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to build the indexes in Sitecore. First and foremost, we'll log into Sitecore. We need to go to Control Panel. Inside the Control Panel, there is a section called Indexing. What all we have to do, we have to click on the Indexing Manager. What it will do, it will load all the indexes what you have defined in the system. What you can do, you can select all or unselect all the indexes as per your requirement. For now, I will create only one index, let's say Sitecore Index. You can also find the statistics about the indexes on the section over here, and accordingly you can take the call. We need to go down in the volume and then rebuild. As per the number of item in your databases, it will take some time. I have taken the core database. It shouldn't take much time, and within few minutes it will be done. You can also define index by using the Sitecore configuration file as per your requirement. That's it for now, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel in order to get more how-to videos for Sitecore. Thank you.